Moving now to our special report, where we've all seen those shocking visuals of lakes in Bengaluru literally catching fire, toxic lakes, polluted lakes. But guess where that water is going? Well, that water is often being used by tankers to supply drinking water around Bengaluru, and we tested that water. It's toxic.
This water could be doing more harm than good if it's coming from a private water tanker. NDTV's investigation reveals the harmful contaminants that you're consuming along with this water. Chances are, if you live in India's Silicon City and getting water from a private water tanker, the water you and your family drink is extremely polluted and unhealthy. This is the massively polluted Bellandur lake that you see here that has been in news for the froth and the fire. We all know the pollution that's present in there. But barely 100 meters from this lake is a source from where water is being drawn for multiple water tankers. We have seen many of them in the past hour or so. The tankers take the water directly from the borewells to homes in the city without any attempt to clean it. There are more than a dozen borewells in and around Bellandur, and most of them get water from the lake and are used primarily by water tankers. NDTV decided to test the water from the lake and sent a couple of samples to Indian Institute of Science. The sodium concentration in the water is at 370 milligram per litre, while the World Health Organization says the safe limit is 200 milligrams per litre. High levels of sodium in drinking water is found to increase blood pressure in children.
Unfortunately, that will result in a very high incidence of high blood pressure in people, and they may not even realize about it.
And it's not just one polluted lake that provides water to the city, especially on the outskirts and the IT hubs. We are here in one such facility in Hudi area, right next to the Sadaramangala lake, which is totally polluted. And as you can clearly see, just a few meters away from that are several of these borewells and is supplied to all these huge apartments in these areas. The sample tested from this borewell next to Sadaramangala lake showed high concentration of calcium and magnesium, which is known to cause cardiovascular diseases.
There's a link between the groundwater in the vicinity and the lake water quality. We saw higher level of nitrate.
People who are suffering with skin allergies, especially children, the water is actually giving them skin rashes, allergies, some of them have boils.
Till this day, there's no government agency monitoring these water tankers. When contacted, the water board told us it's not monitoring, and the city municipality says there is no framework to regulate the water tanker business. With camera person Nazir, Harish Upadhyay, NDTV, Bengaluru.